My name is Davide Murtilaro, and I'm a Senior Technical Support Specialist at Autodesk. Today, we'll give our attendees a technical overview on how to set up their licenses for home use. So the way to set up your Autodesk software for home use very much depends on the type of license you own. Here's how it works. For single-user licenses, you can install and access your software regardless of where it is installed by simply using your Autodesk login information. If your single-user license is part of a maintenance plan, installation on a second computer is allowed for home use. For multi-user subscriptions or network maintenance plans, you have three main options. First option is to use a virtual private network or VPN to connect to the network where your license service is running, for example, your office network. Then you can use your software as normal. Secondly, you can leverage the licensing borrowing feature. This option allows to borrow a product license from the network license server to use the software for a specific period of time while your computer is disconnected from the office network. The license can be borrowed for up to 6 months unless otherwise restricted by your CAD manager. Finally, you can request a home use license. A home use license allows an additional installation of a license on an employee's home computer in addition to their existing installation on their office computer. For TokenFlex customers, you have the same VPN and licensing borrowing options as discussed for multi-user. If using a VPN, tokens will be consumed as they are today. If you choose to borrow licenses instead, tokens are consumed each day the license has been borrowed and until the license is returned or until the return date is reached. A third option, finally, for TokenFlex customers would be a public-facing server. In setting up a public-facing server, the user is responsible for securing the server and all usage that occurs. Also, the network license reporting service must be installed on that server. That being said, as a TokenFlex customer, you always have, if you want to pursue this option, you have the option to log a support case. So feel free to do so and add in the subject TokenFlex public-facing server. We'll be happy to help.